Then there's the diversity within unity. What we have seen in the last 5 years is a big push towards diversity. Okay, that's good. Again, it has to do with bringing the margins to the fore and the margins to the center, the people that have been excluded, overlooked. That part is good. That part is noble. But then we also have to be reasonable and realistic with the means by which we've done that in a way. What I've seen, and I offer this for your own contemplation, is that it's been too much emphasis on the diversity and not enough on the unity. The same can be true for white nationalism, for example, just as an example, or religious authority in some other nations across the planet where too much emphasis is on unity, and there's a deep crackdown on the diversity. What the ramifications of one pole being out of balance. You can be filled with the right motivation, and then subtly you can be reinforcing greater division. Why is that? Because you've only seen one of the poles. There's always a dichotomy or duality. You really love your political party, let's say, but then in championing your political party, have you been also responsible to even widen the gap by disparaging the other side? What this crisis of division is showing us is how to reclaim that underlying mythos of unity, not to abandon your cause or your value system. Your value system is, it's your life. You get to choose what your values are. You're for abortion, you're against abortion. You're for a border, you're against a border. Whatever it is, it's your free life. What you choose to eat, what you choose to put in your body, how you spend your money, whatever it is. But then how do you, and this is a koan. I'm not saying this is easy to figure out. How do you also share space with people that don't share your opinion? That I think we have lost, and that we definitely will need. That we need today. Actually, we need today. How do you feel that it was so essential that we all get vaccinated? Fine, that's your right. But then how do you share someone who doesn't agree? That is a big challenge. But think about the implications of championing one position. Is it that the end game is that everybody think like you? Is that when we win? When everybody ticks every single box down to your own idiosyncrasy. And if that seems ridiculous to you as an end game, then what would the alternative be?